I wanted to be good at drawing ever since I was little. So I started this channel this January of 2024 to track my progress. Now it's the 5th month since I've started drawing, and watch until the end of this video to see a few of the best works I've done over the last 5 months. I finished the 30-day exercise of Marc Brunet's How to Draw Characters in 30 Days. I've really improved starting from zero. This is a really great tutorial for beginners who is starting drawing. However, coming from the perspective of a beginner, I think there are 3 things to be addressed before starting this tutorial to really get the best out of it. First is how to draw face proportions. Second is gesture drawing. And third is body proportion. If you do these 3 things, you could finish this 30-day exercise in a week or even a few days. Start with learning face proportions on how to draw a face. Depending on your style, you could learn Lumi's method or anime style faces. Do basic shapes in drawing the face, circles for eyes, triangles for noses, and straight and curved lines for hair, eyebrows, and lips. At this point, you don't need to be good at drawing the face. You just need the face to be in proportion. Also practice this with 3/4 view of the face, looking sideways, looking up, and looking down. The next is gesture drawing. Use stick figures to develop an understanding of how the body is drawn in different poses. Draw circles for the head and joints such as the shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, and ankles. Then connect them with the lines for the body and arms and legs and feet. Then lastly, body proportions. Draw basic 3D shapes, cylinders, cubes, and learn how to draw them in different angles into replacing what you've learned from gesture drawing. And if you do this, then this tutorial by Marc Brunet will benefit you a lot more. I'll put a link of his tutorial somewhere in the video. I'm really thankful for this tutorial, and I'm still at the start of my drawing journey. I have a lot of practicing to do, and I have no idea how to use colors and incorporate it with my sketch. It's been 5 months since I started drawing, and I'm really happy with my progress. I hope I could get more people to follow my art journey, and I could inspire people of all ages to start doing what they love, as I have with drawing. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Here are some exercises from day 15 to day 30 and a few of my best drawings. I hope you like it, and until next time, peace out.